this particular engine is 120 years old, and it's part of a class of 191 in this class of locomotive. So they operated express passenger trains of their day in New South Wales from the early 1890s until about 1915. And then from there it just went into general service, and this particular engine was still in service until 1968, and then from there went into preservation. So I'll have a look in the fire here. But if we're out on the main line, that would be a much bigger fire, and that would be white hot. Yeah, so Bernie's just got that simmering away just to keep warm at the moment. So these are all the driver's controls over here. This is called a regulator, it's the throttle. It's the brakes, it's air brake. This is the called a reverser, so it controls whether they go forwards or backwards. And it's on a screw, so it's a bit like the gears in your car. So if we're starting off, we have that wound all the way forward. And as we get up a bit of speed, we can start to wind it back. So it's a more economical use of steam. These are the brake gauges just here. Drifting gauge, so how much throttle to use when we're coasting down the hill. Steam pressure gauge in the boiler. So the safety valve, that's about 135, 140 pounds there per square inch. Safety valve's open at 160. And then these two gauges here are identical, same either side. They've got gauge glasses, and they show how much water's in the boiler at the moment. So you can see it sort of bobbing around there, just under halfway.
And how long does the water last?
Well, it all depends on how hard we're steaming. So sitting around here, we last for quite a while. If we're going up a long hill, be using that, and the fireman would be adding water and shoveling coal to make more steam, because I'd be using it up. So in the tender here, when it's full, it holds about 8 tonnes of coal. It's on the top here and underneath, where the coal is, a big water tank. It's about 12,000 litres.
And how fast it can go?
Yeah, we're limited these days to 80 kilometres an hour. Engine can go faster than that.
Still a lot.
But which is still good. So the engineers have worked out 80, sort of a good balance between scooting along, but also being an old engine, just looking after it and not wearing it out too much.
Have you ridden this before? Have you?
Yeah, I'm qualified to drive. Yeah, on this engine.